travelers, hello from Barcelona. Today I want to show you that we have in town 10 transport options, so let's go through all of them to see how they work. Welcome back travelers, this is Valerie from Barcelona. So before starting this video, subscribe to my channel if you get to know all the interesting things about this city. So let's start with the first transport option in town, the legs. Yes, you're gonna have to use your legs because Barcelona is the city to walk. Every now and then you'll need public transportation as well, but generally speaking, you can do almost everything in Barcelona by foot. Almost everybody in Barcelona grab a bike to move around in the city, and the bike system is designed for short trips, no more than 30 minutes, so this can give you an idea of how big Barcelona is. For example, in my case, it takes me 20 minutes to go from where I live in Sagrada Familia to the Gothic neighborhood where I work. Unfortunately for you travelers, the public bike system in Barcelona, these beautiful red bikes are only for residents. So for you, you're gonna have to go to a rental shop in Barcelona and rent a bike for a couple of hours or for the whole day. Or what you can do is to book a bike tour around the city with a local that will take you exactly where the bike lanes are. Motorcycles and electric scooters, this is the way we locals go as well. We have a lot of applications we use in town, and we actually grab them from the streets everywhere, and you can rent them in the rental shops as well. Don't miss the free rides and the discounts I have for you when you sign in to any of these applications I mentioned in this video for motorcycles, scooters and taxi. I will leave you the link of them in the description down below. Don't forget to use them. Metro in Barcelona is really good. Don't be afraid of taking the metro, and you can always help yourself with Google Maps. But as you can see, everything is signposted, very clear, you won't get lost. The bus system in Barcelona is really good. I think it is a great way to get around in the city. If you also want to see the city as you travel, what I particularly like about the bus is that you have this screen that tells you when the next bus is coming, and also in the inside you have another screen that tells you what the next stop is. So it's super easy. Help yourself with Google Maps, so no excuses. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The train in Barcelona is actually more for locals. I don't think you're going to use it much because they go outside the city, but it's important for you to know that there's a train that goes to and from the airport, and that Sants is the biggest international train station in Barcelona. In case you're coming from a different city, from a different country actually, you will stop in Sants. And also there's a whole video I'm going to do on how to take the train to go to Girona, Sitges, Montserrat and Tarragona by train. is the easiest way to move around in Barcelona and the most expensive one. We have in town two applications, Cabify and Free Now, because we don't have Uber anymore. Of course, you can grab a taxi from the street, but with the applications you can see an estimated price and also the route in case you want to see where the taxi goes. I think the tram will be the least used transport option in town for you travelers because we don't have many tram stops in the city center. They are actually a little bit away. But still, if you need to use them, it's beautiful, it works perfectly, and not being underground gives you the chance to see the city as you go. This is the AEROBUS, the bus that comes and goes from the airport to the city center, and the waiting time between them is just 5 minutes, so you don't need to buy your tickets in advance, and they go to both terminals 1 and 2. People love taking the hop on hop off bus tour in Barcelona. We have 3 routes. They last around 2 hours depending on traffic jam, and the waiting time for the next bus is between 5 to 25 minutes. The only thing I don't really like about it is that if you want to go to Tibidabo or Parkwell, it won't stop right at the entrance. You're gonna have to walk. Okay travelers, those were the most used ways of getting around in Barcelona. So before saying goodbye, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I share really good tips about Barcelona and you are about to lose me. Also, I will leave you the link here for my video what transport card to buy while in Barcelona. So see you next week in this incredible city.